basic accounting principles is key. Money is what we're here entrepreneurship for. I mean, of course, we're here to make money based on our product and service. But if you don't understand where your money is going, how your money is used, the dynamics of debit, credit, the dynamics of profit loss statements, the dynamics of, how to read your ledger, how to balance your books. Those are some of the key things that get people in trouble all the time. And also with an entrepreneur, you have to be careful, because as money is coming in, you have to understand that money's for the business. You can't just automatically personalize that money. Like, I made some money and now I'm gonna go back out and spend it, okay, on myself, or, buy myself a car. You have to have accountability, because, at some point in time, if the IRS comes in and audits your books, they're gonna be taking a look at, how was this money spent? Was it properly used? And was it properly, accounted for so it could be taxed? And so a lot of people get into trouble because they're not, looking at the basic accounting principles in terms of management of their money, monitoring how their money is being used, and the utilization of their money. And also, people don't necessarily put in, a lot of times young entrepreneurs, when they make that first dollar and you're starting to, make a little bit of money, they may not put enough money aside to have that cash reserve. There may not always be the good times where you're getting a lot of clients. Maybe there's a slowdown in the economy. You need to make sure you have cash reserves on hand in order to deal with those slow times, in order to keep your business afloat. You're also going to be starting to think about your savings. As an entrepreneur, you have pulled yourself out of a company, so you're not getting a 401k as a company. But then you may say, okay, now my company is going to start. We've grown, large enough, or we got a small consulting firm of 5 people. But I want to start providing, individual retirement accounts, IRAs or certain things. That all goes into accounting, and that all goes into financial management of your company and how do you do certain things. Even with taxes, taxes is the big thing, and entrepreneurs need to understand, how much do you take out for taxes that go to Social Security? Taking courses on understanding accounting. If you're not going to be the main person, having a good accountant on your side. You may have an accounting firm that handles a bunch of small businesses, and you're just one of their clients. So if you don't have the resource to have your own accountant, then you have one of those services. But even outside of that, you need to make sure you understand accounting yourself.